Well, hello again, Dekotora fans, and in particular ones that are kind of cartooned, because this is a Choro-Q, and it's from 2004. I already cut the tape. Not sure why there's tape here though. Nothing in there. So you know how old it is. It might help set the value of things. And nice minimal packaging. And so I couldn't find images of the real truck. Maybe it's been crashed or it's just gone, because it looks like a pretty old truck from like maybe the 70s. But it must have existed because Aoshima, the model kit company, made this model. You know, that's the box art probably, and that's a finished model. So let's look at this. I mean, it does look like that. The graphic on the side matches up. It's got this funky rope looking thing on the front. Is this different? No. Alright, the different graphics. So this graphic on this side seems to match up, but this model kit doesn't have the rope thing. Okay, and then there is actually a Uwajima bullfighting arena. That's an image from it. So this truck driver must have loved going to that place. Well, sadly, I'm afraid that person may have passed away by this time. Alright, let's look into this ChoroQ now. So it does say Uwajima Corrida. I'm not pronouncing that correct. That looks like a Spanish word to myself. The license plate matches up with the front illustration photo, but oddly it doesn't match up with this model kit photo. These are painted on headlights, but everything else looks like a sticker. This looks like a paper sticker, like a clear plastic sticker, paper sticker. This is a clear plastic sticker for the grill. But the stickers in general look pretty good. I mean, they look like they could be tampo prints. I like how they have the bullhorns up here. Even these tiny 3 running lights here have some green paint on them. The windshield is actually a different black than the body, so that's a paint app there. More stickers on the side, some sort of badge there in the door. And then obviously you got this funky twisted rope looking thing, and it's well painted. I mean, it is a spiral rope, and they've managed to paint the spirals of red. So that's cool. There's nothing up here. I assume this box molding is shared with other Choro-Qs, and you know the real truck doesn't have that, so they left it alone. This is a paper sticker here. It's running the 5-spokes standard wheels from Choro-Q, but they're like a black chrome finish. And yeah, there's a little white residue, but if you can just wipe it off and it's like new again. So okay, not sure why there's a mesh here. Maybe it had like one of those loading ramps or something. These are raised taillights painted orange, and then on the mud flaps, if I could focus, you have Uwajima Corrida and the license plate again. This is a paper sticker here. The bottom has a paper sticker. It says 2004, so if you buy this without packaging, you kind of know how old it is. Standard construction of a screw in the front and some sort of tab system in the back is holding that thing together. If you're unfamiliar with ChoroQs, they're all like these pullback toys. Actually, the trucks don't go as fast as the cars because you have all that extra weight. Okay, well, pretty neat. It looks like the photographs of those the model kits at least, so I have no reason to doubt that that doesn't look like the real truck. So the Dekotora line from ChoroQ is quite extensive. I definitely don't have all of them because but here's some other 3-axle ones with the same mold basically up there, and that truck apparently has that. This truck, yeah, same box truck section, but the front ends are different, of course. Here's another one. And then they had a 3-axle dump truck as well, and they literally will dump. So those are some of the 3 axles that I have, but they also made 2-axle trucks. So this is a 2-axle with some Hot Wheels Real Riders on there. Let's start getting rid of some of these. There's a dump truck hauling whatever, coal or rocks, then a rebar or iron bars. Here's a Hot Wheels Dekotora by Ryu Asada. So I have a whole tray of these things. And then Aoshima, the guys that made those model kits, they even had a line of some Dekotoras. It actually says Aoshima on the bottom, so that's how I know that. And they have these glow-in-the-dark strips up top. I'm going to turn the lights off. Let's see if they really glow. Yep, there you go. They do glow. Pretty neat. Alright. So, if you like Dekotoras, you probably want to look up Aoshima or ChoroQ. They tend to be pretty rare, though. I mean, I think they're all from probably the early 2000s, so just gotta be patient. Eventually, they come up for sale. Well, let's look at this thing over here. This is a little Gashapon Gundam. I have no idea. I forget what the name of that Gundam is. It's just crazy looking. So I thought I'd put it up here with the crazy looking truck. Yeah, alright. Well, it's neat. This truck, at least I know it was real. I have no reason to doubt that all those things are probably real trucks at some point in time. So, interesting truck culture they have over there in Japan, if not dangerous looking. I mean, if that truck got into an accident, so many parts would go flying off and impaling people, right? Especially the bullhorns. Alright, anyways, thanks for watching today. I'll see you if I pick up another Dekotora. Bye.